The FIREBAT AK2 Plus Pro MiniPC from Aliexpress stands as a testament to the marriage of power and portability. With its impressive specifications, compact form factor, and gaming-ready capabilities, this mini PC redefines what it means to deliver a desktop solution that punches above its weight. Whether you're gaming, creating, or simply looking for a space-saving option, the FIREBAT AK2 Plus Pro MiniPC emerges as a worthy contender in the realm of compact gaming powerhouses. The FIREBAT AK2 Plus Pro MiniPC offers a compelling gaming experience for casual gamers and media enthusiasts alike. With its 4-core 4-thread configuration, this mini PC strikes the right balance between performance and affordability, allowing users to indulge in their favorite titles and enjoy immersive 4K content without breaking the bank. The FIREBAT AK2 Plus Pro MiniPC leaves no stone unturned. With dual-band Wi-Fi 5 and BT 4.2 capabilities, users can enjoy seamless wireless connections, ensuring hassle-free access to online gaming, streaming, and communication platforms. The FIREBAT AK2 Plus Pro MiniPC Intel N95 N5105 processor, with a main frequency of 2.0 GHz. This powerhouse handles multitasking with finesse, ensuring a seamless user experience even under demanding workloads. Backed by 16 GB of RAM, this mini PC offers the necessary muscle for smooth operation across various tasks, from gaming marathons to content creation endeavors. Storage-wise, the inclusion of a 512 GB SSD not only guarantees swift data access, but also provides ample space to accommodate an extensive collection of files, games, and multimedia content. Whether you're storing your latest gaming conquests or editing high-resolution videos, the FIREBAT AK2 Plus Pro MiniPC ensures that you have the storage capacity to fuel your creativity.